Hi all my wonderful women, welcome back to Shivani's Boutique. This is Hema from Shivani's Boutique, spreading colors globally. What's new today in Shivani Boutique? Of course, it's going to be exclusive cotton salwar materials in budget, right from 1500 to 2500. These are all going to be very beautiful collections right now. You have today for you all, and this is the top. This is the first piece, and this is the top. You can find a beautiful embroidery in the sides, and this is cotton stuff, and then this is the pant, and it comes with a soft cotton dupatta. So this is how it looks. All right, and then I've got beautiful colors in this. The colors are really amazing. See this green and then maroon, all lovely colors, and then it is peacock blue. See this, so nice and amazing. Then the next one, in this I have got four colors in each. We don't have any repeats in colors and also in quantities. All right, and this is a cotton printed top, and you can find beautiful French knots all over, hand touch, human touch, and this is the pant for this, and it comes with the Leria dupatta, soft cotton dupatta. See how it is, very nice. So this is how it looks, and I have got nice colors in this. It's a light color with this combination, and see this, four different colors. All right, the first one I open and show, and these are the colors. It's a pista green with this combination. For pant, the pant will be like this at the bottom. It's a hakobar, kind of. Actually, it is called as a border embroidery. It's a machine cut. All right, and this is the fourth color. Then, what's next? See, I have got nice colors on this. So these are the two different colors. I'll open this maroon, because black, even if I don't open, people will definitely grab black. So this is the maroon color, and this is the pant, and this comes with a soft cotton dupatta. Lightweight also, and so nice, airy and comfortable for our Indian climatic condition. And this is the second color in this. So what's next? See this. These are all the two different colors in same pattern. I'll open my pink color. Both the colors are so beautiful in this. So bright pink color, and this is the pant, and the dupatta is this with these embroideries. Lovely, it is so nice, and but the thing is it's very lightweight, and this is the ulta multi color. So see this, nice color it is. It's a deep blue, metallic blue, and this is the pant, and of course I'll open the dupatta and show so that you guys can identify how it really looks. So this is how it is, nice beautiful dupatta. Next, see this. Next design is this. These three colors. Open this pista green. These are all cotton fabric. Such a beautiful concept it is. And see this, the top, and this comes with an amazing floral dupatta. So the highlighting thing is this. So nice and unique. Something really nice. 1600 the rate is. So it's very pretty, and for this rate it's very wow. And I've got this peach color, orange, pale orange color with this combination, and pale yellow color with this pale carrot peach color combination. Then what's next? See this, 1, 2, 3, and then 4 beautiful colors of the same design. Which color? 1, 2, 3, 4. Navy blue. I'll open navy blue. See this. All are nice cottons. Very easy maintenance also. So this is the pant, and this comes with the amazing soft cotton printed dupatta. nice it is. It is very nice and elegant, and you can go for like casual wears, office wears, and it's very economical. The range is not here. I have to search the range for it. What is the range? Range is around 1600. All right, and I've got nice colors in this. 1, 2, and then 3. Totally 4 color combination. All are pretty good and very subtle looking also. See this. So nice and so bright. This is bright, this is light. However you want, you can go for. I'll go this. Nice fine cotton it is. Stripes, vertical stripes. And then there's the pant, and this comes with the. Wear all stripes, vertical, horizontal. I will look thin, I will look plumpy. That's okay. Let us look what we are. There is nothing wrong unless our dress is going to be counted in terms of marks, or when we are in a ramp show. At the time, all these casual wears, any kind of wears, whenever you want to wear it at a function, or don't put so much of this rules and regulations. Just wear what you like because I wear in that way only. At times I wear with jewelry. At times I won't wear without any jewelry. I'll just wear a silk saree and go. Because in South, especially in our area, wearing jewelry is a must. But it's all up to us in how we are feeling good about it. So dress is very important thing, I feel personally, and it's my point of view. So the way you dress shows how you are. So according to your taste, your preference, please guys, especially I wanted to tell the youngsters regarding that way, because they want to fit themselves in a dress which they are not at all comfortable. Please may not do that mistake. And I've got nice colors in this. Whichever is trendy, we can go for it, but still if you are not okay with that current trend, don't wear it. That's okay. So this is the yellow color cotton top with a patchwork on it, and this is the pant, and this is the dupatta. See how the dupatta is so nice, no? Some like these batik kind of printed ones, so you guys can go for this. And I've got lovely, see the colors, oh my god, the colors are so nice. 1, 2, 3, see this nice leather color with this matching, and oh, lovely pink color. So this is how it is. And what's next? See this, 1, 2, and then 3, and then 4. I'll open this mustard yellow color. So this is how the patchwork is. It's a fine cotton, and this is a contrast matching pant. It comes with the dupatta. This is a kind of kota cotton dupatta, and see, this is a kind of kota cotton dupatta because it looks that way, and this is the top for this. Alright guys, and I'll show colors in this. 2, matching, 3, and then nice kashish color, 4 colors. Then the last one is left here. See this, such a nice brilliant top it is. What a red color, yaar, lovely red it is. And this is a printed pant with a pussycat chiffon printed dupatta. So that is how it is. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed seeing our collections. For prices and product descriptions, log on to our website, new website, www.shivanisboutique.com. Else click the above link which will straight away lead you to that page. Please WhatsApp us 958550176 if you have any challenges in payment gateway. Thank you so much, and bye.